Hi guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add or apply a voice filter to audio on the CapCut PC. So here I've already import a video and I've already record a voiceover that I want to add a voice filter to it. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on the audio file on the track, and here find the audio effects option. So there will be two options, voice characters and also voice filters. So you need to click on the voice filter tab, and in here there are 9 options that you can choose. You can just choose which one that you want to apply to your audio. So for example, I want to add a megaphone filter, so just click on this.
Hi, so this is how you
So
Hi, so this is how you
okay, so you can just choose which one to use, but if you want to make it back to the original, you can just click on original options.
Hi, so this is how you
Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.